I want y'all to picture this in your kitchen right now, because if you're tired of having random knives just in your drawer, just chilling like this, these Mercer knives are my go-to. My first knives I ever bought when I moved out and was on my own. And I've had these for over 3 years now, and they're still going strong. The case is still going strong. The knives are still going strong. They're the sharpest knives I ever had. I've never had to resharpen them since I've gotten them. And just look at it. Just look at them. I mean, it doesn't even matter which knife holder you get, because they're all pretty cool. I chose to get this one just purely because of the aesthetics. I mean, just look at this thing, man. But again, you don't buy these knives just for this. You buy the knives for the knives. And the knives themselves are great quality. Just look at this. This is the chef's knife. Obviously, I didn't wash it well, but that comes off easily with soap and a sponge. Very sharp. I've had this for over 3 years, and I'm not one of those people who particularly takes care of the knives really well, which is why you see all the streaks and stuff. But if you're someone who actually took care of them, it's fine. But yeah, they cut really nice. They're still sharp. Comes with the chef's knife. Comes with this knife here. Comes with paring knives. With this one here, it's a little bit bigger than the paring knife. Sorry, I don't know the exact terminologies. And then the bread knife here. I love this bread knife. It's really good. Anyway. Boom. All right, so here's a kiwi. So first and foremost, the knife chopping quality is pretty much consistent among all the knives. So the way you see this cut is the way the chef's knife is going to cut. So, but let me just show you. Look. Boom, chicka, boom, boom. Again, this is 3 years old too. It's not brand new. It's going to be even sharper, even better, brand new. But I have no complaints, like I said. So it's cut. No issues. It is what it is. Let me just show you. Like the chef's knife, for example. Obviously, I would never use a chef's knife for a kiwi. But just to show you, I'm just going a little slower just to be careful. Yep. Very easy. Very, very easy. All right, I had to wash the stain off because that was really bothering me. Anyway, so here's the chef's knife now, okay?